babybus.
First, place the eggs in the pot. The eggs are ready. Let's scoop them out. Crack the shells so the eggs will soak up the flavor of the sauce. Next, bay leaves.
It's alright.
Let's try
Bay
again.
leaves.
Oh no! Let's
Bay
make another
leaves.
pot
It's
of water.
alright.
Let's try again.
Bay leaves.
Oh no! Let's make another
Star
pot of
anus.
water.
Bay leaves.
Ginger. Cinnamon.
Pepper.
Salt.
Tea leaves.
Rock sugar.
Soy sauce.
Wow! The sauce smells wonderful. Let's start boiling the tea eggs. Stir the eggs around so they soak up all the flavor. Wow! The tea eggs are ready and they smell delicious! First, place